Hi guys, a very happy belated Dussehra to you. Hope you guys are healthy and safe. If you have a small balcony and lots of plants, one of the options that you can go with is getting a vertical plant stand. These stands are available easily on e-commerce websites such as Amazon and Flipkart at affordable prices. I bought mine from Flipkart. I have kept the link in the description from where you can purchase this. Using this stand has not only helped me to accommodate lots of plants in a small area, but has also helped me to segregate them as per their care requirement. Let's move forward and show you how. So the first shelf is dedicated to those plants that do not require daily watering, such as syngoniums, dieffenbachias, philodendron, etc. Just mist them every second or third day and plug the yellow leaves and they are good to go. So as you can see here, I have different varieties of syngonium placed at the top, and I have a philodendron micans plus some dieffenbachias, which is on the other side of the shelf, that is why it is not visible. And one succulent over here, and one philodendron. So this white syngonium that you can see here is a rare variety that I picked from one of the nurseries. You will be able to find from where in my upcoming videos. So you can see after removing this pot in the background, we have another syngonium which is big in size. Now you can see behind this philodendron plant I have a begonia. I kept it at the top because it was having a long shoot that time, and if I kept it on the second shelf or third shelf, it would definitely have hit the roof of that shelf. So that's why I kept it behind this philodendron. But now I've observed that the top leaf of the begonia has fallen, so I'm going to try to fix them somewhere in the shelf, like second shelf or third shelf. Now the second shelf, if you can see, I have majorly kept my calatheas here. Here is the calatheas yellow fusion, which I picked recently from Indo-American nursery in Hiscote, and mostly I have calatheas and monsteras and those plants which I have to water every day and I have to mist every day. So here you can see I have this Calathea amagris, and if you remember, if you have been seeing my videos lately, then you would have seen in my old videos that I picked this pot from the Pottery Town recently at 35 rupees. If you want to see my shopping from the Pottery Town recently, then you can check that video. I have given the link in the description. Now I have this big pot of amagris. I repotted it maybe a few months back, and the repotting video is also available on my channel. You can go and check it out. I will put the link for the description in the description also for this one. Now this pot is basically a pot that used to have Fittonia plant, which I bought from Indo-American nursery Banashankari, but it died, and it's showing it has small leaves, so I'm just hoping it will come back. This is my Calathea orbifolia. This is the big plant of Philodendron Birkin, which is the statement plant on the shelf. You can see this beautiful pattern on the juvenile leaves. Now behind this I have a propagation of this spider plant, which I cut from a mother spider plant I have, and I kept it here, and it is slowly showing the growth. And behind that, as I told you, there are few calatheas. Like I have this Calathea macroyana, and then behind that I have Calathea lancifolia, or rattlesnake Calathea. So you'll be able to see that there are a few dried leaves, so I have to chop them. Yeah, so now on the third shelf I have this Scindapsus, and then I have this Philodendron, then I have this Christmas Syngonium over here. Now I have here two pots of Calathea amagris, which I have propagated from the mother plant you saw above. And behind that I have this Monstera, which I also propagated from the mother plant. You can see over here, this one. And then I have this Calathea sanderiana, which I bought from Lal Bagh. And I have two pots of Philodendron Silom over here in the back side of this shelf. Then I have this Royo plant, which has become really bushy. And the fern, which is not doing very good. Actually this fern turned out to be very healthy in my previous apartment, but after bringing it to my new apartment I kept it in the lowest shelf, and since it did not get much sunlight it just dried off. I'm trying to revive it. Now below this is my third shelf. Again you can see I have a Calathea burley maxi here, and the leaf is somewhat curling a little bit. But not to worry, because it will always keep throwing new leaves. Now this is one Calathea triostart, which I have propagated from a mother plant, and this is Tradescantia variety, which I picked recently from Krishnendra nursery. And then this is my baby tears plant, which is not doing good because I have to change the position of this plant. It needs bright light basically. Now this is my wandering Jew, which I picked from one of the nursery in Vartur. Then in the last shelf I have few plants, like I have this some Syngoniums over here, which I have kept in, again some terracotta pots which I picked from Pottery Town. And then I have some Calathea amagris, which is propagated from the mother plant only. One black Syngonium, pothos, and this Philodendron Xanadu. So guys, this was all for today. So in this video I have covered only those plants which I have kept on this vertical plant stand, but there are many other plants which I have kept on my entrance, and also I have kept indoors as well. So I am going to cover all those plants in a different video. So if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because when you subscribe to my channel, then only you'll get the notification whenever I'll put a new video. So bye for now, stay safe and stay healthy, and a very happy Diwali in advance.